So, you want to find a winning dropshipping product which is almost guaranteed to get you sales. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you 9 easy to sell winning dropshipping products. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a product which is almost guaranteed to generate you $1,000 a day in sales. So let's jump into the first product.
So the product is called the Flame Trails Extreme, sold by a company called Molten Cores. They're one of the only pages right now selling this product, and they're doing most of their sales through media stacking on Instagram and TikTok. And what that means is they're setting up multiple social media pages to go ahead and sell the product. Now the product itself are these fire skateboards. You can attach them onto the back of any skateboard that you like, and then they go ahead and create huge flames which look really good on TikTok and Instagram. Now you can currently buy this product on a 3-pack from anywhere to $3 to $8 a time. You see one small change in the store that they've done here is remove the 1-piece option and gone straight to 3, 6 or 9 pieces. You can actually do a subscription here pretty easily as well. So it's a great product to start off with and create very high engaging short form content all over TikTok, Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Now next we go on to the Magic Fire Wand. Now I know a few people right now selling this for 5, 6, 7 figures a month just by doing this singular product with the upsell of the Magic Flash Paper. Now this Magic Fire Wand has been selling for multiple years. It's a huge wow factor product, and now you're able to actually buy it for a much cheaper price on AliExpress and Alibaba. You can actually purchase this right now for $14 to $18 a time. If you're using a private supply, you can get that down to 13 or 14, and that would be shipped with the ammunition paper, which they're actually selling at the moment as an upsell on this particular brand. I've actually seen this product quite a bit on Meta Ad Library, but came across it on Minea as well. And we can see here the store design, there's lots going on. There's lots of inspiration to take onto your other brands as well. And they're selling this product actually for $70 a time right now. Now you could come in fairly easily and sell it for $40 or $50 and then go ahead and sell that upsell paper again and again, which is really going to increase the value of your Shopify brand. Now going on to a product in a little bit of a different niche is this product here, which is going to be sold on Pinterest. And Pinterest at the moment is very, very low in terms of ad spend. Now by no means is this promoted by Pinterest, but for me right now it's getting very, very good results in the shapewear and clothing brands. We're also seeing cleaning supplies doing very, very well. Now the major demographic is middle-aged women. That doesn't mean all middle-aged women are cleaning, but it does mean that they're interested in these types of shapewear products and other clothing products. They're scrolling through and they're really taking their time to have a look at the posts. Now the best part is repurposed content is doing extremely well on the platform right now, and to buy a product like this is so cheap to ship because you can package it down into such a small size. So you can actually purchase a shapewear product like this right now for around $4, and they're selling it for $37 a time. Now for this particular store, it's called Gift Vanille, and if we just load it up, it's actually based in the Netherlands, so everything is in Dutch. But you can see the store design is pretty general. They're looking at different products selling in the shapewear industry and also other beauty products that could potentially be linked together. Now if you have a bit of a budget, it's a great way to test on Pinterest, and you can try out different creators. You can easily use repurposed content without worrying too much about bans and other issues with your store. Now going on to the next product here, this may cause some issues, but you're almost guaranteed to get sales selling this product. Now what I see in stores day to day is Dyson products doing extremely well, both with their hair dryers, their fans, and of course their air wrapping, straightening and curling device, which is called the Dyson Airwrap. Now this Airwrap retails anywhere from $400 to $500 a time, and there are cheaper versions that you can go ahead and sell. Now you need to be aware when selling these kind of products, you're going to be rapid testing. You could risk potential bans, but you're almost guaranteed to get sales in the stores because people want this product and they don't want to pay that premium price point. So right now this Spanish store is selling for $55 a time, and again we use Minea to go ahead and find this product, and that's just simply through their sales trends. Now the approach that I would actually take here on my brand, if I was going to build something up like this, is to go ahead and private label and create my own brand around a similar product without using the Dyson designs. Right now everybody's playing in this gray area, which is very, very dangerous if you want to go ahead and sell your brand later down the line. But if you're rapid testing and you want to create a hairline brand or a beauty brand from this solid start selling this product, I think it's a great path to go down. You just need to be extremely careful with how you're selling it, how you're marketing it. You don't want to market it as a cheaper version to the Airwrap or make that reference to the original product. Now over the last few years, we've seen all types of leggings be on AliExpress and be on Alibaba, from the butt lifting leggings to different stretchy leggings, short leggings, large leggings, extra size, plus size. We've seen almost everything on AliExpress in terms of leggings. And again, we see another product which is going to sell extremely well and already has been, with over 5,000 orders already on AliExpress. And this is something that has sold well, very, very well in the past in 2012, 2014, 16 and 2018. But now I feel like they're coming back. I've already seen the sales through Pinterest general stores. So I think it's a huge opportunity if somebody wants to go ahead and create a theme page onto Pinterest and start selling this product more and more. I also think a good opportunity organic wise is to set up Pinterest theme pages. Now what I would go ahead and do there is post out pictures of the product itself with different models wearing it, and then writing up different captions, post promoting to other pages, and using simple methods like follow for follow to actually grow the page. You can see right now you can get this on a discount for 99 cents, but in fact, you're not going to be ordering every single time for this price. Right now, a realistic price for this product is looking anywhere from $2 to $3 a time, and your selling price for this, I would suggest, should be around the $16 to $18 range. Now, before we get on to the next viral product here, I've actually used my company vidx.io to go ahead and create creatives for all of these products, and simply all you have to do is go ahead to the vidx.io Instagram in the description and just DM us viral, and I'll send you a list of the product ad creators from this video itself. So for anybody who wants to take advantage of that, there's no credit card required. You can go ahead and use some creators and see what's actually currently working with these types of products. Now, hopping onto this product, it's been one that's been selling so well throughout the years, and summer's coming up again. People are going to be outside and they're going to want to play gel blasters. It's a great way to actually upsell because you can sell these small pellets that you can see in the video here, and then you can go ahead and create an MRR brand from there. So that's monthly recurring revenue. You'll be able to get a very good exit for your brand when you go ahead and sell it. And these products are pretty easy to sell themselves. It's very simple of how it actually works. It's pretty cheap to source, and overall you have that great upsell there and different add-ons that you could potentially sell as well. There's tons of creators out there, so by making repurposed ads like we do at vidx, it's going to be very easy to do. Right now, most of the brands are selling anywhere from $40 to $50 a time. You can actually source it just below $10 on AliExpress. So through different agents and suppliers, you should be able to get a far lower price than that, which is a very good markup for a product like this. Now, it is pretty competitive, especially in the summertime, but there's room for everybody as long as you don't cut corners, you create a high converting site, you use the right softwares and apps, and you go ahead and create winning ad creatives. Now, the next product I actually found scrolling through a flight booking website and then did a little bit more research into the brand itself and how they were promoting through Google. Now, dropshipping is becoming more and more popular with Google ads directly to go ahead and set up retargeting ads. So when somebody goes ahead and sees your video on TikTok or Instagram, you can use competitors' keywords from when somebody pulls up their laptop to go ahead and buy to actually retarget for your own store. So this is exactly what Quiet Bounce is currently doing. The store is very cleanly laid out, and overall everything looks like it's ready to convert. It also featured in one of my most recent videos. It's currently doing $40,000 a month in revenue and has a lot to bring to the store itself. So it has the upsell here where you can go ahead and sell the extra hoop, and then different sizes of the basketball itself. Now, it's just a silent basketball, so you can easily make videos on TikTok throwing it off a balcony. I'm going to throw this at my neighbor's roof, I'm going to throw this at the wall, and it's all about the silent basketball. So I think it's a great product, especially if you're starting. It's fairly easy to sell as well. You can source this right now for $11 on AliExpress. Now, this hand gripper is probably one of the most exciting opportunities in 2024 to go ahead and sell, because you can create a challenge product around this. Now, we've all seen the push-up board challenge where they've used this viral dropshipping product to do different challenges throughout different weeks to show people using it in different ways, doing match push-ups, who gets the highest amount of reps, and this is exactly what you can do for this hand gripping product. Now, all it is just a simple hand gripping device that we've all seen before, which is basically just a metal ring. I'll put it up on the screen now, except this is all electrified, so you can easily see how many kilograms of force somebody's squeezing on the product. And I saw on Instagram the England rugby team actually using this product, pushing it around, seeing who's actually getting the max amount of force out of the product itself. So overall, I think this could be a great way to do a challenge, go up to people on the street, put some real effort into the content itself, make it enjoyable to watch. Then you can use those creatives, repurpose them, put them together with the product videos itself to create a winning ad creative all together to run on Facebook or Instagram. And now the next product, we're actually going to be using Minea to go ahead and find the product and show you how easy it actually is to do. So right now, summer is coming up in the US, and we want to make sure we're able to sell to them just in time for summer and build up our store now in time for that major buying season. So what we want to go ahead and do is go to category, just scroll down a little bit further and go to sporting goods and see what there actually is. So we have lots of high ticket potential products for electric bikes and scooters, paddle rackets, but this one here could be really good. And this is actually a golf mat, which I've seen being sold on sites like golfdaddy.com before, which is now a full scale golf brand. So we'll just see more here and see what else there is to offer. Currently they're selling for $28 a time. Seems like a pretty decent product itself. Now there are quite a few variations, but to make content around this sort of product is fairly easy to do. So if we look at the competition itself, it seems like a fairly basic store, and with a little bit of effort, putting the right gifts together, showing the product in action, and putting effort into your content and making engaging content, you should be able to do fairly well with this, taking anywhere from $500 to $1,500 in sales a day just with organic traffic. And right now they're running this product just on Pinterest, just showing you what I was saying earlier in the video, how different products are coming back slowly over time to go onto that Pinterest platform. So maybe you could do a translated version of one of the top performing stores right now in the US US and go ahead and translate that either into the German market, the Dutch market, the Swiss market, or a mix and combination of all of them together to get that lower ad spend cost on platforms like Pinterest. So that wraps up the video. Thank you for watching. Ciao.